Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix this Instagram song is currently unavailable. So first of all, you should know that what are the main reason or what are the causes by which this occurred. So it might be due to bugs or it might be due to some specific reason. So when you think this is a bug, then what you can do is you just have to open a Play Store or App Store and then you have to type Instagram. If you think that was a bug, you just have to update the app and that bug will be automatically fixed. And if there is genuine reason, then what you can do is the genuine reason should be that song was currently not available in your region. Then how can you fix that issue? You can fix that issue also by changing your region in your mobile phone. So there might be several settings you can by which you can change your country or region, and after changing your country or region you can use that song in your country or region. So if you want to change your country or region in your mobile phone, you can just tap on your settings, and in iPhone user they can easily search for region, and after tapping on region they will get the region, and they should just tap on the region and change your country or region, and they will fix their issue. And in Android user, they just have to install any VPN, and after tapping on any VPN they just have to change their country. After changing their country, they will be easily access that specific song on Instagram. So you just have to select those specific region in which your song is available, and you can use that song in your country also. And another thing is you can also do this by you just have to go to settings, and here you have to tap on apps. After searching for apps, now what you have to do is, now after opening up any apps, you have to tap on Instagram and you have to tap on storage, and here you have to clear the cache data also and clear the storage data. After clearing the cache and storage data, now you have to go back and tap on force stop and tap on OK. Now after this, if there is bug, then it will be automatically fixed. If there is country problem, then you can use VPN or you can change country or region in an iPhone by tapping on your settings. And that's all for today guys. Do like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.